Okay guys, we are live. Time is 9:32 a.m. Eastern. This is for the 11th day of Christmas. It's the list. We're in the clubhouse, so we go 3 times. Time 9:32 a.m. Eastern. First random, 9:32 a.m. Eastern. Second random. So we've gone 2 times. 9:32 a.m. Eastern. Third and final random, guys. Good luck. Andrew Gradziuk. I gotta ask you when I see you how to say your last name. So Andrew, you won the 11th day. We've gone 3 times. 10:33 a.m. Eastern. Congratulations. I will get that out to you after Christmas. Paste that over. We are done. Time 9:33 a.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys.